So today is the Ben Burgess Beeston 90th anniversary celebration. The idea behind it was to celebrate our 90th anniversary as a business and to also celebrate our new showroom, which was opened only a month ago. And we've done it so that we can encourage all the local community or the rural community to come down, meet all of our sales team who have either been here quite a while or are new to the business, introduce them to all the new machinery that we have available from our fantastic franchises, and just generally have a very COVID-safe event with us, so that they can then start getting back to normal rural life with our machines.
David Fairman, Sales Director of Ben Burgess, here at our Beeston, second day of our Beeston Open Day. Nice to see so many customers with us. And I'm standing in front of a product which is a Bunnings muck spreader, another family company local to Norfolk, just down the road at Gressinghall. And we've been a dealer of theirs for a number of years, probably 30 years now I imagine. And we sell quite a lot of their spreaders. They're market leaders in the UK for rear discharge muck spreaders, and this particular one I'm standing in front of is a 12-ton machine sold to a local customer, and it's a very popular model with the axle at the rear, which means you've always got weight on the front drawbar on the back of the tractor, and it proves to be a very good seller for us. We also have some other machines here in their range. There's a 15-ton machine over there which is sold to a local contractor, and that has the ability with its spinner deck on the back to do quite a lot of different sorts of muck, compost and light material, because the spinner decks allow it to spread far and wide. Another brand that we have represented for a long time is McConnell. So again, UK built, and this is probably our most popular hedge cutter that we sell. It's the biggest of the 3-point linkage mounted machines, the PA6565T, so it's 6.5 metres reach with a telescopic arm. This particular one is with a 1.5 metre cutting head. You can also have a 1.2 metre cutting head, and for just over £20,000, a real popular machine for farmers and contractors. We also have machines here for the smaller end of the market, and for some of our smaller farmers, hobby farmers who perhaps cut some hay. So this is a Kuhn machine, a PZ190 drum mower, so twin drum mower, fits behind a small horsepower tractor, sort of 50 to 75 horsepower tractor is more than man enough to drive it, and very popular for people who are doing hay for their horses. And this machine is selling today at just over £4,000, so grab yourself a bargain.
My name is Ben Turner. I'm the grandson of Ben Burgess. Ben Burgess started the business in 1931 in the midst of a great agricultural recession, and he was lucky enough to be chosen to sell some of the early diesel tractors in the form of the Field Marshal tractor. And we then went on to become John Deere dealers, and we're now one of the oldest John Deere dealers in the country. We've had a super time with John Deere, and they've educated us and brought us along and allowed us to grow as a business.
Ben Burgess are a shining example of how companies should behave, how they look after their employees and look after their customers. They have put Yana stickers on all their hire tractors and all their other tractors, and people ring our helpline because they've seen the Yana name. They might not know what it is, but Ben Burgess advertising. If you actually want to see how an ethical company should be run, come and have a look at Ben Burgess. They look after their customers and they look after themselves. I wish there were more people like them.